Hello and welcome. Today's video is about how I made $708 on Fiverr and how you can too. And if you'd like to know my number one recommendation for making money online, it'll be the first link in the description below. So what is Fiverr? Fiverr is a marketplace where you can offer your services from $5 to over $1,000. You can sell things like design and graphics, Instagram shoutouts, and even relationship advice, and many, many more things. So what was my game plan? My game plan was to get as many people in the door offering a $5 service to hopefully convert them into long-term paying customers that'd be paying for premium services. So what was I selling? I was selling Instagram related services. So it starts off with just offering cheap shoutouts for $5, which can then hopefully turn into mentorships, larger shoutout packages, and things of that nature. Now, not everything is perfect, but I'm going to go through some pros and cons of my opinion on Fiverr. So we'll start with the pros first. The pros is you can get more clients. So basically with Fiverr, it's such a large marketplace that a lot of people are just browsing on there and hoping to spend $5. So a lot of the clients I got, I would say 90 to 95%, Fiverr gave to me. I didn't go and find them myself. Second on the list is the interface. It's super clean. There's a messaging service where you can keep in contact with your clients, and the delivery platform is great as well. And lastly on the pros list, it's trustworthy. So everyone knows Fiverr, most people have used it, and it has a good name in the industry. Okay, now onto the cons of Fiverr. So first on the list of cons is they take 20% of what you make. So basically, if you sell something for $5, you actually end up with $4. Or if you sell something for $100, you only end up with $80. So for me, when I sell $5 gigs, the loss of $1, I don't really notice. But when I sell something for $100 and I only end up with $80, that's when it stings a little bit. Next on the list is your rating. So there's a lot of ratings that you have to upkeep with Fiverr, such as response rate, delivery time rate, refund rate, response time, all that kind of stuff there that you have to be conscious of and make sure that you're on your game because people can see those figures. And last on the list is the payment wait. So basically, you have to wait 2 weeks for those funds to clear to be available to withdraw. So it's not a long time, but ideally it'd be good if it was at least a week. So is it worth it? In my opinion, yes it is. I definitely recommend Fiverr for all you guys to sign up and try out. It is free, so it's not like you need to pay as an entry price to get in as a seller. So I recommend it to anyone out there that has some form of something that they could sell. Give it a go, see what kind of clients you can get, but just be patient with it. It does take time to gain momentum, but when you do, there's a lot of gigs coming through. And if you have any questions about my experience, be sure to drop them in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer them. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, guys.